Okay. It's such a special moment. Ate Jean can help but cry. I guess she's so happy with how Mayward family are showing their love towards mankind. Sana may microphone pa rin sila no, parang sa bahay ni Kuya. Naririnig natin kung ano pinag-uusapan sa kanila. Diyan ka lang. Table number 17, be patient. Thank you, ha? Okay, let's take our picture. Official. 1, 2. Closer. Closer. Closer to the W-Dan. At 20. Ayan. We love seeing you together once again, housemates. Closer.